Inta tas. Hey!
Wara multiple attempts.
Eżatt. So, for today's video,
We're doing a challenge! Is it a challenge?
This is kind of, I think it is kind of a challenge. We're going to try and see how we can transform our day makeup into night makeup.
Indeed. ħatkun interessantissima naħseb jiena.
Yes, I think
And
so too.
we're going to take a challenge because, you know, maybe you don't have time, you need to hurry up and you're like, oh my god, you're in the car
and you have to go somewhere.
and we're going to show you how we do it.
Yes.
So the first thing that we do, obviously, eyeshadow.
I don't have foundation on.
No.
I think you have a BB.
No, I may have the BB cream.
Right,
I'm
sure.
good with that.
So,
Keep on nżidna aktar contouring.
exactly, I'm just gonna touch up.
So first thing that we do,
I think I'm gonna go with concealer actually, because I don't mind how my face is looking. But my dark circles are...
alright. Biex nidru daqxejn maħniex għajjenin daqsek.
Exact, we conceal.
No, naqa concealers.
Conceal those 9 hours of work.
Ma, donfi.
Oh,
Nice.
I have a sponge here, it is.
Le, ma, nasa vera, taħdem naqa dik il-brightening effect.
It does a bit more.
Wara ġurnata xogħol. Tkun trida naqa. Imma sepp iktar differenza li jiena bejn day u night look hija l-eyeshadow
Yes, eyeshadow, and for me, because I'm not wearing it, eyeliner.
No, eyeliner hi normali.
Okay. Yes. So I'm just going to set it with a powder.
Jiena bdejt contouring.
She contouring.
Issa ovvjament, għamur daqsxejn iktar fuq id-darker shades biex nagħmel daqsxejn a bit of a definition eżattament. Okay, it-tip ta' eyeliner ring li nagħmel waqt bejn day u night. U kont different.
I like
Għax tkun
that.
iktar
Nice.
skont il-look li qed mora li ma ġeneralment tkun iktar bold and a bit thicker, you know?
I like that. It's a good idea.
U ġeneralment dak il-wing ma taqafx tipo sa fejn hemm lajlit, toħroġ ftit iktar il-barra.
Cat's eye.
Eżatt. Imma għax tipo x-xogħol ma tix tidher daqsxejn esaġerata.
I'm darkening up my bronzer. Just a bit.
What colors are you going to focus on?
I'm going to keep my pink lips, so I think I'm going to go for a brown eye, a neutral eye, with a bit of gold maybe.
Jena ċekja daqsxejn il-palet li ħanuża.
Okay.
Issa ovvjament l-eyeliner għadu hemm. Fadrina ċ-challenge tiegħi ra li nipprova nżomm l-eyeliner intact. Nipprova, jekk nendur daqsxejn fuq. Eżatt. I'm using the Kiko palette, guys.
So I'm going to emphasize a bit my blush. And I'm going to...
And I'm gonna dig in for it, you know? I'm not purple tones. What? This isn't on
I'm going to use this brush.
Yeah. Mela, ejja minn
There it is.
There it is. There it is.
Okay.
Tibda tħana, ma nafx kemm l-snin li morna.
6 snin. Ikqalaqni leħana u.
Ma?
7 snin. 6 snin. 6, ma nafx. 2013, 6 years. So, my brows are there. I'm just going to brush them up a bit.
Le, jina issa bdejt naqla eyeshadow ħijos.
You're doing hot shadow. My
No.
brows are there. Just smoothing them out. Now, eyeshadow.
Le, ma tantx għandi ftit glitter, so ħammort għaxejn iktar
Don't
għal
glitter.
Right. Le, naħseb jien ħammur iktar għal natlu. Se jista' jkun eżar progress ngħid le għandi bżonn glitter fajti.
You always need some glitter in your life.
Jahi, għanet niżaw ħafna highlighter.
Some glow.
There it is.
Most of my makeup was already there, guys.
Eżatt.
Isu fine tweaking.
Eżatt. You know, tipo żommu f'moħħkom li forsi intkom maġlin u forsi tixtiequ li jkollkom look less than 10 minutes biex titilqu l-barra and just fil-ħajja tal-lum taqgħod daqsxejn f'affarijiet. So sometimes you just need those bits of tricks and you say, okay, I'm out. And that's exactly what you're doing. Jiena għadni qiegħda fuq il-purple, għavor m'għandu jaqsam xejn mat-top li qed nilbes. Issa d-dunduna.
Match a bit, match a bit.
Ġilit tiġik li l-ewwel tara x'ħaġa dwar dak ftit tagħmel
Mbagħad xi tilbesu.
l-ilbies. Taf li tiġridi li.
Jew il-lips xi kultant. Lipstick when I'm wearing like a bright red lip, which is not always. Then I would think to myself either wear white or black. I don't like wearing red with red.
Fimtek, eżatt.
I don't like wearing red lips with a red top or a red dress.
I
think it's a bit too much. On me, maybe.
I mean, you need to be matching, but meta tkun extra matching.
Matching.
Tgħid, hemm naqgħod glammy. Ma nafx, just, you know.
Lower lash line. This makes a huge difference from day to night. The lower lash line, guys. Adds a lot of definition to the eyes.
You're almost done as well, huh?
Nearly. I'm hoping this to be like a 5-minute look. With products that you don't have to carry a lot with you.
Just one palette and magic.
This is my favorite palette right now. It has all my favorite shadows. And if I have to travel anywhere, like in 2 weeks I'm traveling, I'm taking this and that's it.
That's
all I'm taking. It's big, it holds everything. Bully.
Bully, I mean.
Bully. I'm gonna go with gold. This shit from Mycon. Go for it. Naqa sparkle.
There it is.
There it is.
Issa li ħanagħmel naqbad l-eyeliner and I'm just going to take in my eyeliner a bit.
Yes,
That's all I'm doing. Mill-edges to be fair, ta' mux minn ġewwa.
No, because inside it's fine. Okay.
Ekku.
So sparkle is ready. Now, I'm gonna go for a bit of eyeliner because I don't have any eyeliner on.
Kemm jiġobni l-purple minnu. Issa noqgħod attenti x'meta nagħmel maskara fuq maskara x'kuntant. Tiġi naqgħus klobila niswani.
You don't need to don't. You don't need to.
Eżatt. Mbagħad il-lips tiegħi għaddejja l-ewwel mhux il-lips imma l-ewwel marqa highlighter skużawni.
Eżatt, girl.
Nisni. Jiena highlighter to be fair, nuża Becca Cosmetics għal flasġija, però nuża wkoll Wet n Wild, which is very, very good. Inti tuża l-ofra kieku?
Yes, I would use Ofra, yes, but I have Wet n Wild handy in my makeup bag, so we're just using what we have on our day-to-day makeup bag.
Ekku. Bħala lips, mbagħad għall-flasġija għadla f'tigew f'a bit of a bewilder look. Mhux għax fil-għodu n-idea nuża ċertu kuluri ta' it's not the case. Però flasġija jisib tmur għal ċertu darker tones naħseb jiena trafilaq tagħha bassusa.
That's a dog.
Bastuta.
Here's my little puppy.
Aħan kalmak.
Now, you know what I'm going to add? Some inner corner highlight. Using the highlighter that we're using for our face.
Jiena ħanibqa' nżid
The
fil-highlighter.
There it is.
Id-differenza fil-highlighter minn fil-flasġija hija bil-wisq. Imnieħri nikkonturjaħ bih.
Nice. It opens up the eyes, guys. And adds flair. Flair. Highlight the brow bone.
Xa tagħmel inti lipstick ħin?
I'm just going to go on with mine, so I already have.
Nice.
Like the pink lips, I'm just going to top it up. If I can find it. Where are you? Can't find you.
Hello. What are you doing now?
Found you.
Oh crap.
Thinky pinky.
Mela, fattilkom hommur daqxin għal iktar sur. Lansibu. Where is it? Oh no.
What color are you going for?
I want to go for a purple color. I want to go daqxin iktar dark.
Oh yes, because we messed up your lipsticks.
Okay, mura għaxussu. Għan dark brown.
I'm ready, sorry.
It's
It's the first time I'm ready. Before you.
Yes, I'm not going to bring it. It's also ovviamente
Of course, you will never fucking help you. Keep
Oh,
up.
this could be good as well. This is
Use-
nice.
could use this.
Sure, I could. I'm gonna switch on my...
No, I have some. You want to have a lip brush? You need a lip brush? Use these again.
Yes, I think this is a card that I would go for the evening, not for the morning.
Yes, I agree. And it's a bit shiny as well. Not too shiny. It's nice.
Wait until it dries.
Uh-huh. Dries matte.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I like the color. It's different.
Yes, it's different, isn't it?
It's very nice. My nose, I just need something.
Imma nasib... Ta' bażikament ta'.
That's it, guys.
I think it's good.
How long did that take us? 10 minutes maximum?
10 minutes
Maximum.
maximum, eżatt. To be fair, I think it's... we like the look. If you don't like the look, mex taħmen.
Paċenzjaw.
Le, imma fis-sens kif edna, hija faċli ħafna li mill-makeup bag li għandkom bħalissa with the same makeup bag that you use for the day look, you can use it to switch to a night look. The only difference, I think the main biggest difference from my end would be an eyeshadow palette.
Me too.
That's the only thing. Maybe that's the only thing that you need to stock up if you're going out in the morning and you know that you need to go out.
So this might be a bit too big. Because, I mean, we're at home. But this, in your case, I mean, it does fit in a makeup.
And they have smaller type of palettes.
And
in
yes,
those,
you have the Huda ones, so...
Natasha Denona one.
But look, I mean, you have so many colors,
Exactly.
regardless of the brand, tux cancel brand. But I mean this, you have a lot of colors and it's very small, it's compact.
Exactly. So, think now.
Invest, guys.
Yeah, investing in these kind of things is when you, even when you go abroad or, as you're saying, just traveling around on a daily basis, it's good to have something like that. Very handy and, you know, it's there when you need to
Easy.
touch a bit.
Exact. So, hi.
Tinsewx biex tamlu
Subscribe!
subscribe and hit the
Bell,
for
so you
more
know
updates.
when we upload on
Tuesdays and
And
Saturdays.
yes.
If you have any tips, or perhaps if you want to share what you do on a nightly basis, that changes obviously from the daily basis, you know, just write
Leave
it
a comment
here.
below. Right.
We always want to learn new
It's a
tricks
lot.
from you guys, and it's very nice when we hear from you guys as well, because we love our audience.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in our next video.
Yay! Bye!